Alrighty guys, so I bought these booster packs from, I believe it was Walgreens. I bought 2 of these, so I'm gonna be cracking them open. It's been exactly, it's been like 2 years since I've opened any Pokemon packs. So these are gonna be the first packs I open in 2 years. So I'm just really excited for that. This is the Raikou promo card right here. Unfortunately, I had to record a voiceover for this video because I was at a local card shop, and the card shop had a bunch of people. They were playing all sorts of games, Magic, Pokemon. You could hear coins flipping, people talking, just sometimes cursing. So I had to do a voiceover for this. I hope that's cool for you guys. So let's just get these packs cracking. It's gonna be the first pack. It's Mega Evolutions. I've seen these packs obviously on YouTube videos, like people opening them up. So I've never opened one of these, so you can see me just taking my time here with these packs, and my fingers were extremely slippery, so I can't even grab the cards right. I love the arts for these cards, or at least I take a minute to just look at them, because we really got to appreciate the time and effort they put into these cards. And of course, first pack, just a regular holographic Cinderace. Good starter, good starter. So let's see if we can have some second pack magic right here. Starting off with a Magnemite. Lopunny looking.
Hey yo, what the?
Sorry. Grafaiai and Riolu. Love Riolu. I wish I could get one of those Ascended Heroes tins with Riolu. So let's see if we can get that going. Onto the first reverse. Second reverse coming up. And we pull a Mega Abomasnow EX. That's something. Can't say it's not. Onto the first pack of Phantasmal Flames. Gonna be my first time opening these packs. Of course, I want what everyone wants, that Mega Charizard X. So let's see if we can actually get that right here. Oh, it's looking all cute. First reverse. Second, and of course. Of course. Alright. Second pack of Phantasmal Flames right here. Let's see if we can get something. Almost forgot the energy right there. Charmander, yep, looking all sexy. Right. First reverse, second reverse, and trust me, you cannot make this up. You cannot make this up, man. Horrible luck, horrible. All right, so I don't know how, but somehow in Walmart, I found 3 of these packs and this tin right here, which had the most smudged up packs that I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. That's an $8, $9 pack right here, Destined Rivals, and it's terrible. So I got Surging Sparks as well, a few stickers, and a Journey Together pack. So we're gonna be cracking these open alongside with these 3 Phantasmal Flames. Honestly, I really do want that chase card Charizard. I think this is Diancie. I'm not even sure if that coin is Diancie. Got the promo card Cottony right here. And let's get going. 3 packs, 3 chances. So we'll start with Journey Together, just because I want to get this smudged up little packs out of the way. Zorua, Tropius. We got a Swinub, Delmise, Iris Fighting Spirit, Octillery, Cramorant, Volcarona. Nice art, by the way. Pancham just showing up his business, and of course, regular holo. Let's see if we can pull something out of this Surging Sparks pack. Take my time with these packs because this is my first time opening them, so I just want to take it all in and enjoy the pack openings as they should be. Got a Call Bell, Azumarill. This shocked me because it's water type, being a psychic. I don't get it, but it's fine. And a holo. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna open this up later, so I'm gonna leave this one for last. Just seeing how busted it is. Starting off with the Buneary, Bramblin, whatever this is, Absol, Oddish. Love that art. Haunter, Battle Cage, Granbull, Dizzying Valley Reverse, and we pull a illustration rare Wooper, or Paldean Wooper. I love this card. This card is so nice. Nothing behind it, of course, but this is enough. This is super fine. Such a good card. It looks so nice. Let's leave this bad boy up. It's going to the collection. Let's see if we can pull any more hits out of these last few packs. Got a Gloom, Dewgong, Jigglypuff, Darumaka, Bronzong, Sacred Charm, Darmanitan. We got the Evo. Reshiram Reverse, that's a nice art. Bramblegast, and Moltres Holo. Now, during this pack opening, my phone had literally like 2% of battery, so unfortunately I couldn't see or couldn't record the end of it, so it's gonna end right here. But I didn't get anything, trust me. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see if we have some one-pack magic with this Destined Rivals booster pack. Obviously, we're all searching for that Mewtwo. Any Mewtwo, honestly. I have none of these cards, so this is literally my first pack opening ever from Destined Rivals. So I'm hoping for the best. And let's see if we can get something nice out of this. Let's put the energy in front. Let's get started. First card up, Weasel. Very cute art. Team Rocket's Porygon. Team Rocket's Coughing. Ethan's Sudowoodo. Huntail. Marnie's Scrafty. Team Rocket's Great Ball. Marnie's Scraggy. Team Rocket's Porygon 2, and Nidoking EX. Alright. Now, these are all the cards that we pulled from this pack opening. Honestly, I love that Wooper. It just made it for me. And you guys could let me know down in the comments if you think that all this was a hit or a miss, or if I did good or should have kept sealed. So it's what I got for the moment. Hopefully I can be able to pull some more things in the future for you guys.